Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a new subject called Human Resource Analytics, also called as HR Analytics. But before getting into the subject, I would like to discuss few things with you people. You all must have come across the word called data analytics or big data or data mining, data science, data scientist, machine learning, metrics, Python, etc. You must be wondering why so many terminologies are revolving around this subject. They're all interrelated. We will see to it in near future. But what I want you people to understand is why there is so much buzz around data. Why all organizations today are behind getting the data of all their stakeholders. What do they do with this data? Because this data is huge. That's why it's also called as big data. There is both structured and unstructured data in it. Why it is so important or crucial to organization? What do they do with this data they collect? So how do they collect this data? Any business today that is online, that is having the presence on web, whether it's a website or social media presence, so they all collect the data about their customer, their habits, and the web traffic or the demographics of their customer and more. So what exactly they do with this data? You will be you'll be amused to know what all can be done with that data, how much potential that data is, only if we know how best to use it. So any company these days, whether it is a startup or a big multi-billion organization, they all use data and make decisions, because today only those organizations which pay importance to daily data that is used in business and the information that goes, sorry for the interruption. So like I was saying, today in business, any business whether big or small, if they do not take insight of the data or information that is being used by business on day to day basis, then they will not reach that far. So any organization, if it wishes to reach to a higher position with respect to strategic growth, then they have to collect the data and they should know how to filter it out and how to get meaningful pattern from it, so that it can be used in better decision making. Only such companies will go to higher positions. So all the organization these days, they use analytical tools to scrutinize this data, to find out those hidden patterns and help take them better decisions based on these. So if you, I believe all of you use online, do online shopping, use e-commerce websites. So when you register with the website, it will ask you the basic details. And when you shop online or look for something online, and then you go to any of your social media page, you'll immediately find the advertisement of the product which you had just searched for. So how do they know it? How do they know that you were searching for that product? How it suggests you to different websites which are providing that product, or where all that where all that product is available and for which different prices it is available. So why they are, how it is able to persuade you to buy it or visit the site again? How does it know? So this is all due to data, and also due to the algorithms used which predicts your behavior, which predicts the buying behavior of the customer. So this is all part of analytics. So they store the data, they analyze the data, they build a predictive model, and based on that decision will be taken. So when it comes to marketing analytics, this kind of data, it will help to find new customers, to increase the customer retention, to improve customer service, and to track social media interaction, etc. So similarly, financial analytics also has made its way. Now, the HR analytics is relatively a new concept only when it comes to implementation. But these days, all the organizations are using HR analytics. So, in this subject, we will study how using analytical tools in HR field or analyzing HR related data can help organization make better decisions based on data and not just mere guessing or intuition. So HR analytics will prove to be a best tool, or you can say the strategic tool and growth for an organization, since it is a data driven approach.